How to remove the clock from your lock screen on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to hide the clock from your lock screen on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. From there, tap on Lock Screen to open the lock screen customization options. At this point, tap on Clock to open the clock settings. In the next step, you'll see different clock styles and layouts available to choose from. Following this, swipe through the clock styles and look for the None option. Once done, tap on None to remove the clock from your lock screen entirely. From here, tap on Done or Apply to save your changes. If None is not available, check for System Update and update to the latest version. Go back to Main menu and scroll down to find Software Update. Then tap Download and Install and check for new updates. If the update is available, tap the Download button to install the latest update on your device. Finally, press the power button to lock your screen and wake it back up to confirm that the clock has been successfully removed from your lock screen. And that's it! If this Samsung guide helped you remove the clock from your lock screen, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.